been a building collapse in Thane, that's on the outskirts of Mumbai. There's no detail yet on the number of those who may have died. That collapse taking place a while back. There are some unconfirmed reports saying that a few people have died, but again, like I said, this has not been confirmed. This was an under construction building, and while there's no official information on it was occupied, we are told that it was perhaps occupied illegally. This was a 7-story residential building which has collapsed in Mumbai, in Thane. 4 fire engines have been rushed here. As you can look at those images there, dramatic images there that's happening in Thane on the outskirts of Mumbai. Tejas Mehta now joining us for more on this. Tejas, we're looking at those images there and the damage really seems to be quite extensive.
That's right. This is an under construction building, and illegally apparently people were living there. Apparently also on the 7th floor construction was going on at that point of time, and that's when suddenly in the evening around 6 o'clock it gave way, and we have reports coming in that about 6 people have lost their lives in this entire incident, and about 50 of them have really been injured. But of course officials have not really confirmed this is coming as reports from the ground. We'll have to wait to find out exactly from officials what are they really saying. But rescue operations, as you can see, have been on for the last 45 minutes or so. At 4 fire engines have been rushed, and of course more by now have been sent there. Given that there is information that many people have been trapped, 50 of them have already been rescued. But the larger point, of course, being that this was an under construction building, and they were apparently staying illegally there. Of course, among the injured and those who have been rescued are also laborers, because on the 7th floor of this building, construction activity was going on at that point of time, and we don't know exactly what has happened, but that's when it exactly fell. Now, this is about 2 hours away from Mumbai. This is in the area of Mumbai in Thane district. This is a rather congested area, and the quality from what's seen here appears to be a new building coming up, but not really perhaps meant for maybe a slum development project. That's what it appears to be. It's in a lower middle class area, and it looks like the quality of construction, something was rather poor, and that's exactly why this building has all of a sudden suddenly collapsed at around 6 in the evening. But as you are pointing out, reports really saying that about 6 people have expired in this entire incident, and 50 of them have been rescued. Natasha?